Ahem. Oops. Reload. Reload. We back. So, funny story. Savage. Congratulations on first. Funny story. Camilos, congratulations on second. Really funny story that just happened here, folks. That was stressful. How about a words game? Yeah, we might, because the pre-rolls are gonna run. So yeah, we could do that. Diego, hello. Welcome in. But thank you, Stee. Thank you, Stee. Damn, third taken down before it was loaded for me. Uki, hello, welcome in. I'm back. Is this the karaoke stream? No. I might have made an oopsies. A slight oopsies. So my power cable is under my desk, and when I was fixing my chair, I yanked the power cable out of the socket, and my power went out. The power of my entire room just went out. Oops. That's so awkward. So disappointing. That, yeah, those weak American power sockets. Yeah, I just kind of yanked it out by mistake with my foot. Oh, that's awful. I hate when that happens. I hate it. Not that it happens ever, but yikes. Yikes. Try to yank a power cable in the UK and you'll tear the wall down first. Yank it accidentally often? No, never. This is the first time. Whole room on a single cable? Kind of. It was kind of the whole room. RIP internet? No, it wasn't the internet. It was the power. We have the pre-roll ads going. I guess we'll just chuck on words. We'll chuck on the words for it. Boom, boom. And I have to restart the words, actually. That's gonna... That hurts. That hurts a lot. And you know why it hurts? Do you want to know why it hurts? It hurts because of the analytics. Because I stare at analytics and, like, go through them really deeply. And now it's gonna be, like, destroy it. Not destroy it. It's just gonna be a pain. Professional streamer. Listen, get good. I do. It was a skill issue. It's my fault. I tripped the power. I tripped it. Don't get absorbed by analytics. I have to. That's how it goes. It's not healthy. What's not healthy about it? I tie my self-worth to views. Don't you know this? Howdy, Cam. I tie my self-worth to views, to average viewers. That's what I tie my self-worth to. Of course. Not really. No. One outlier is not gonna ruin you. No, it's not gonna ruin you. No. It's just a pain in the butt. Quick, everyone unfollow. North Pole, what are you saying? You came in, you're like, oh, I'm the best mod. Look at me, I'm the best mod. And now you're telling everyone to unfollow. It is true? I don't know about that. I don't know. If we unfollow, then he can work for longer before cooking stream. That's a pretty fair point. That is a pretty fair point there. Pretty fair. All right. That sucks. My brain, and the worst part is my brain is just not functioning either. So I don't know what we saved, what we didn't, what broke. Let's open up GitHub here. Okay. Anyways, BRB, you gonna walk the dog or the other way around, depending on how happy he is? Sounds good. Make this on stream. Scottish tablet. I don't want to sign up for your loving to bake. What is it? There's really nothing else in the world like it. Have you seen my git commit redeem? I did, Nick. I didn't do it yet. Did not do it yet. I need to, but it's lovely though. It's not fudge, but it's like a melt in your mouth texture. Syrup, sugar, candy floss. It's super sweet. Oh, let me turn off the words. Bloop. Welcome back from ads, everyone. Maybe. I'll look into that more. I'll have to look into it more. No, we do have Scottish fudges as well, but tablet is kind of like fudge. That's what it seems like. That's what it seems like. Nick. Whoa. Here we go. And it's... Uh-oh. Whew. Right. Time to go see Mr. Zombie? Huh? What are you talking about? All right, here we go. Boom, boom. And now what we got to do is we got to focus up. Now we got to do this. All right, so let's see here. Multiplayer lobby, check. Do that. This. Reload that. Bada bing, bada boom. And then here we go. So multiplayer manager, no array, labels. Let's see what broke here. Lmod, yeah, Lmod indeed. Lmod indeed. And then we go here, here, one, connect. Okay, so we still got the buttons working. We got the connection. We just need the host connection to go into here. Into here. Yeah, just the host to go in. All right, let's see. The host label. And then we have 4 PIDs in multiplayer manager, labels, ready grid, add child here. So it should have added that in, but we got a bunch of errors for it. Let's go back here. Simplify parameter null, node is null. Margin, container, synchronize. Label 5. Ready grid already is a parent. Oh. Because it already exists. Okay. It already exists. That's an issue. Multiplayer labels. Ready grid. Add child. Multiplayer manager. Manager labels. Ready grid, add child. So it's trying to re-add a child, which is not great. So we need to say maybe if instance is valid. No, it doesn't make sense though. On joined. How did we do it? We need to look at the other one, see how we did it. Bow, bow, now. Bow, down, no. All right, let's go. Here's the ready label. Has a synchronizer for the text. We want to go to the main menu here. Is this refreshing the label on every client? That's the idea. That's the idea. right now it has the label on the host, and then it puts the label on every client, but it doesn't put the initial label, which is the host's label. And so just want to get the host's label to show up. This is our very dirty version of it. Multiplayer unique ID. That's set data. Player ready update. I think player ready update though is something else. Here it is. Peer connected. And we add a label to them. But where are we adding the host label? We just add the host label in. That doesn't make sense. Change scene to file. Also, welcome in, first time chat. Thoti? One of the two. Let's see. Host button pressed. Host game visible true. And then... How is this getting added? I wonder if it's already added in the client and that's why it's showing. Like if it's already connected without us actually pressing connect. Host, and let's go to the remote. Go to... Stick to this one. And it's going to be in the host game. Margin. We have a spawner here. Wait, what is this spawner doing? I was doing the ready. Hi, watching the stream. Half an hour. I just don't want to say stupid things. Oh, no sweat. Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. I'm brand new to programming. Well, not brand new, but I'm new to programming, new to game dev. So there's really, I don't think you could say something dumber than the things that I say. You probably won't. Let's see. Ready grid. Okay, there's a label there. Just one. And it's going to the other session, and there's no label in it. Okay. This is the perfect place to say stupid things. I do it all the time. Ooh. What? What the heck just happened? Okay, that just crashed. Gaming, how you doing? Welcome in. Everything happened. Yeah, I guess we're not looking at that. It just decided to crash. Okay, back to just staring at our code to figure it out. So looping it like this is not the play. Instead, we could do... bug/stream? No. Keeping busy, I played my game with Jedum and another viewer last night. Oh, it was the most intense sports gaming I've done in a long time. That's awesome. That's awesome. Holy moly. I'm excited. I'm excited to play it. That's for sure. That is for sure. Move player label. I thought you were doing a playtest on Monday though. Was that what it was? Or was it next Monday? I thought it was on Monday you were doing a playtest. Some kind of thing. Those Jedum's playtests, I got moved to Tuesday. Oh! Got moved to Tuesday. I gotcha. Multiplayer manager, multiplayer labels, ready label. Gotta get your game on his stream. Gotta get your game on his stream. Psh. I mean, yeah, but we're not ready. We're not ready yet. No. All right, let's see. Boom. I think we're gonna be playing Oik's game a little bit tomorrow. I think so. Because I think that releases soon. We're not ready. We're not labels. That's true. That's true. Multiplayer labels. That's to queue for them. That's to add them. So what if they're already added? What if they're already added? It just doesn't show up. Like we're so close to getting these labels going. So Covino, why did you kill your own power? It was an accident. I accidentally pulled the power cable when I was fixing my chair. Upsetting. That bothers me. It actually, like, not many things bother me, but when I mess up like that, that bothers me so much. So much. Because it takes away from the entire stream. Not many things will aggravate me. Me messing up like that, extraordinarily aggravating. But I'd rather mess up myself than... So I guess that's fine. Because it was my own fault. Let's see. But I am in the process of cleaning out another room, and the plan is to basically move all the stream stuff to a different room, and then see if and like have it set up better. Because right now, like there's a tank right here. I can't move my arm up, and then also it's just like everything's crammed. My computer, my legs like leaning against my computer. Not great. And that's kind of what led to the power cable being pulled. I need to get new glasses as well. May as well buy a pair of prescription sunglasses. Oh, I just wear contacts. I love contacts. Highly recommend them. Makes life much easier. No need for prescription sunglasses and regular glasses. I just can't stand them. I mean, especially as a lifeguard, I think lifeguarding is like if you have bad vision as a lifeguard, it's a requirement to have contacts for sure. No question. No question. Because what are you gonna do? Jump in the water with glasses on? They immediately fall out or fall off, and now you're useless. You know? No. No. I can deal with contacts on like a shift, but not a long time. Ah, weird. No, I love them. I love contacts. I mean, ideally, I wouldn't have to wear any, but I get free glasses through health system. Contacts are not free. Oh, wow. You get free glasses? That's wild. Ours are like expensive. Expensive. Sunglasses are paid. Oh. Huh. Weird. Multiplayer peer disconnected. Dot connect. Remove player label. We have bands of coverage depending on where you live, so my area is like a low-income band somehow. Oh. Dang. You need sunglasses because your future's bright? Alright. Let's think about how do we get this ready grid. Because we have a spawner attached to the ready grid. And so you would think it would automatically spawn it in. The sun is blinding me while I'm driving now. Ooh, that's not good. Disconnected. Player connected. Add player label. I don't know how to get anything else going. Road marks where I live are very, very faint, so it's hard to see on a good day. Impossible to see when driving in the sun. Ooh. What are all these errors? Maybe this will give us some insight. I doubt it, though. Move player label expected 2 arguments was called with 1. What? Pure disconnected. Expects 2, but was called with 2. What? What is this? Call data by yourself, not allowed. Parameter node is null. Ready grid synchronizer. Okay, hang on. Node not found. Margin container. Ready grid at label 5. Label. Oh. I think I know what's going on then. We need to do multiplayer lobby. Is your brain actually thinking yet? My brain's been thinking. What do you mean? What do you mean? And then true. Boom. You know what helps me think? What helps you think? I'm already like in the zone right now, so I'm not sure what. There we go. Boom, fixed. Boom, fixed. Push-ups? No, that's okay. We don't need to drill the stake in deeper. No, no, no. And then, let's see. So now what we need to do is update these labels as we update everything else. First name karaoke, last name stream. Steve, why you and your karaoke stream? We're not doing it. For your own sake, we're not doing it. You sure push-ups won't help? I am positive. Push-ups will make things so much worse for me. Host is connected. Then the PID is connected. Oh, wait a sec. 11864. No. Wait a sec. You should do a karaoke stream. We should do it at GadoCon. Let's not. No, no, no. No, no, no. Boom. Multiplayer host. Join. Okay, yep. It's not working then. It's producing two labels. Why? Huh. What if I remove this? So now we just get the PID of the host. And then host 1 is connected. Numbers connected. But it's doubling it up here. Game players. Groups, no, that's fine. Oh. What the heck? It's doubling up the nodes as well. Why? What did we do to double it like that? But the host is fine. Is it calling add player label twice as a client? I'm not sure. I gotta double check that. Also, welcome in, Bear Like Lion. I don't think I said that. Take my breath away. Push. And then... Session 2. Yeah, the client is getting a copy of its own node, which then is probably also doing a copy of its own label. Multiplayer authority 1. Yeah. And it's also getting a copy of its own label. Okay. All I did was I put true here. But why would that be happening? We have the synchronizer taking in text of each individual label. Then we have in the multiplayer lobby, we have a grid label spawner. So it just grabs the ready grid. What if I slap this in the ready grid instead? I don't think that would do anything though. But maybe it's like an ordering issue of some sort. No. Succeed at multiplayer? Kind of, sort of, not really, Matt. Not yet. We're getting there. We're getting there. Oh, and then that's because I closed the host first. We haven't taken care of that yet. Harder than you thought yet? I mean, no. I think it's still about the same. About the same. Like I know it's gonna be hard, and I knew it was gonna be like difficult, just based off of everybody that I ever mentioned to that we were doing multiplayer. That they were all like, "Yeah, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it." Whew. I now have voice commands that do that too. Oh my. I'd never tell you not to do it. It's totally doable. I like that. I like that thought. You can't multiplayer node. Why are you... It's the node and the label that are doubling up. Back to the lobby. That's fine. If I do 30 squats, you do 60? No, it doesn't quite work like that. Does not quite work like that. No, no, no. If I do 30, will you do another 60? No, 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 no. It does not work like that. Holy moly. Multiplayer, peer disconnected, dot connect, remove player label. Okay. But I pretty much pulled a muscle in my leg, so it's even. Doesn't make it even. No, no, no. Add player label. And it's not even... We're not even making it an RPC. Unless this needs to be... No, that doesn't make sense. If I do 30, will you do 15? Nah. Nah. Not right now, at least. If I had more energy, maybe. But my brain is already beyond fried right now. beyond fried. We're running off of pure white knuckling right now. Pure white knuckling. Man. I missed the yeehaw hat. Me too. Me too. Thing brought me more joy than you realize. Hey, it brought me joy too. But it just doesn't make sense, you know? Maybe we'll bring it back, but you should get one of those Boston Tea Party hats. Nah. I don't. Huh. Tricky, thank you for the 15 push-ups. Alright. Oh, man. Boom, boom. Oh, man. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Ugh. Ugh. Thank you for the push-ups. He means I hate you. I didn't say that. Did not say that. But whew. Ugh. All right, let's see. And when he says, I did not say that, he said that. What? No. All right, add player label. Dot text. Host is connected. Ready label dot text equals string PID as connected. Then we add to the ready grid. Adding to the ready grid has the spawner. I feel the hate. You feel the hate. Interesting. Why do you feel the hate? Multiplayer manager labels. This is on player connected. You know why I feel the hate? I don't know why. Wait, what? Emit multiplayer peer.get unique ID. So on host game, it fires. On join game, it does not fire. Huh. Probably it's the lack of karaoke. Maybe, Steve. Maybe. The lack of karaoke. Man, oh man. Okay, when we register a peer, though, we emit. Save that. When we register a peer, we emit it. So what is that? Hey, Covino, you only did 14. No. I did 15. Absolutely. 15. That was 15. You guys can rewind the stream, check it out. But Cam does have a habit of lying and gaslighting. Player data 1 equals player info. Player connected emit. Join game. Interesting. What the heck? Why does join game? He's not lying, he's Scottish. They can't count. Oh, that makes sense. That makes more sense. Join game. But why doesn't player connected get called? Register peer. Oh, because it's on connected okay is when it happens. Just a comment. I don't like to use the spawner node because harder for me to set up the instantiated scene. I use RPC commands for the host to instantiate things on the clients instead of the spawner, and I can pass arguments in the RPC call to these objects directly from the host. So you're doing an RPC to the path, like giving the paths of the objects with whatever arguments you want. Huh. It's a good idea. I just figured that the spawners would be useful. I've never done multiplayer before, so I figured spawners were the best bet, but maybe not. Maybe not. Whew. I'm Irish. We can come together in our hatred of English. See? Stupid language. It's not even a real language. It's like 5 languages in a long trench coat pretending to be one language. I'm waiting for the Six Nations. If Scotland wins against France, England could win. I use spawners for simple scenes when I don't need to set up properties. Huh. Huh. I guess I could do on-player connected and then have an RPC that adds the labels. But that still wouldn't solve the problem. Well, I guess it would. Because then I could just send the multiplayer labels dictionary and then spawn based off of that. But I don't know your code, so it's just a tip on the future, nothing else. No, I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Thank you. It's definitely something I could think about doing, or I probably should think about doing. Huh. I work with the Scotland's captain's brother. I know the captain. Huh. Ready label dot text string add child. So before we add the child, well, but the dictionary is a label itself, and we need the dictionary to be a label, so then we can remove it. Or remove the proper labels. The only captain I knew was Captain Crunch. Pretty good. Captain Crunch is an okay cereal. It gets soggy too fast. But I also haven't had cereal in years now. What's Captain Crunch? It's a very unhealthy, sugary cereal. SpongeBob Captain. SpongeBob Captain. Who is Captain Crunch? How is Captain Crunch is what you should be asking. Isn't that just all-American food? Not all of it, but a lot. What? Y'all don't put sugar in your milk? Why is Captain Crunch? Now that's a good question. That's a very good question. He's called Captain Bart the Pirate. Nobody ever asks how is Captain Crunch. I think I did. Didn't I say how? Milk already has plenty of carbohydrates. I don't think I've had a glass of milk in a long time either. No, I did. I had a glass of milk not too long ago, like a month ago maybe, or less, because North Pole called hot chocolate chocolate milk, and I was like, what? This doesn't make sense, and then I had it. Let's do ads? Lupo, there are no ads. What do you mean? Let's do ads, he says. Ads aren't playing for another 24 minutes. 24 minutes. Because the stream dropped, and now we're getting back. Marbles? We could do marbles as well. Oh, you restarted? I didn't mean to. I accidentally pulled the power cable. Accidentally pulled the power cable. Yeah, I killed my own power by mistake. Accidentally? Listen, Steve, if it was accidentally, I wouldn't be back. Trying to get a break? Not at all. Not at all. Trying to slack. No, no, no. No, no, no. Actually, the reason, like, the thing that really bothered me about killing the power is that I couldn't work for that, like, chunk of time for the computer to start back up. That's what we need. Like a microwave, but for sleep. A microwave for sleeping. How does that work? You should get a UPS? What's a UPS? Wait, a short stream today, Covino. Wait, what? What a short stream today? What do you mean, generic? What do you mean? Hey, at least you have all your Git commits. That's true. 042? Generic, generic, generic. Listen. Uninterruptible power supply. Oh. Backup electricity to a load when the power input source or main power fails. Yeah, that just sounds, it screams expensive to me. Just a backup battery. He'd pull the battery out? No. Basically a power bank for a PC. That makes sense. Yeah, you're gonna go to your 6 hours? I am gonna go for 6 hours. Yeah. No, Covino just needs to get a bike that powers his stream, set up, and cycle the whole stream. If that was possible, that's not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. Not a bad idea. Covino, uninterruptible? Challenge accepted. What do you mean? It's not a bad idea. Except, how would I type and use my computer if I'm, like, constantly biking? I don't think it works. I don't think that would work. No, no. Not with that attitude. I'm pretty sure biking only produces very minimal amounts of electricity. And it's like you can't get power from nowhere. Energy can't just be created. You know, you're taking part in the iHeart Spring Jam? Chances are probably not. Probably not. Depends. It depends on how far along we are with this game. But probably not. Plus, I have to give the opportunity for everyone else to have a chance to win, you know? I wouldn't want to enter and then just immediately take the dub. Being the pro game dev that I am, of course. If PID 1... Yeah, I've just been staring at this. I have no clue what's going on. Talking a big game for someone who isn't doing it. Like I said, there's a reason I'm not doing it. There's a reason. But no, the real reason is because I need to focus up on getting this game done. That's the big thing. Um. Multiplayer manager. Real reasons because he's scared? No, not at all. Not at all. The real reason, if you want me to really break it down, is there's this thing in life. There are a lot of opportunities available. And the key is you need to pick and choose which opportunities are... Oh, I realized StreamerBot wasn't running. My bad, Thoughty. My bad. Is you have to pick and choose which opportunities to take. Which opportunities to take. And does doing iHeart's Jam directly help? Try that now. There we go. It's a Mario Party-like game that's centered around lifeguarding. But does that directly push Freedom Forge Studios forward? And the answer would be no. The year is 2032. Covino hasn't finished the game yet. He's unplugged his computer 82 times at this point. The world is in shambles. In the distant sirens. Oh my, Steve. No, no, no. This game will be done in about 8 months max. It depends. Depends on once this label's done. Yeah. Once this label's done, then we're really going to be kicking butt. And then the other difficult part is going to be doing the board creation. And still no karaoke stream. The real tragedy. Years 2032. Hillfort Games just passed 1 billion YouTube views. Released their 8th award-winning game. Oh my. Covino karaoke stream would be the reason it's a dystopia. Exactly. I actually don't know much about Hillfort because he streams about the same time when we do. Like I check in whenever I see him on, but I don't know anything about the game he's making or the games he's made. Once this label's done, unfortunately the label was never completed. I just don't know how to do it. Covino quit coding 20 years ago. Ironic still calls him stupid. Nah. Okay, and that didn't remove it. Interesting. That didn't remove it. What the heck? Pure disconnected? Maybe we just remove this part? Host. And join. And disconnect. That didn't update. Huh. So many issues. So many issues. Well, here, it is simple. Is it simple? Do queue free without... Oh my lord. Oh my lord. Good catch, generic. I did it as a callable instead of a function. There we go. Alright, that's an easy fix. Now we just gotta fix the labels. Because they work on the host. But they don't work here. Which is weird. You'd think that they would. Now with all this time you just saved, you could do a little karaoke. Not quite. Steve, if we can get these labels fixed, then I'd think about it. Then I would think about it. Huh. Don't do it. Don't give me hope. I mean, hey, you never know. Maybe we will get the labels fixed. Maybe. It should just copy over the hosts to here with the spawner, though. Because it's a spawner and it's a synchronizer. Ooh. What if it's because of this? No, because that's PID 1. I'm gonna look at the multiplayer labels in the remote, actually. Liar, liar, pants on fire? Wait, what? Who's lying about what? Boom, connect. Where do you call add player label? Right here on player connected. Remote, manager, labels. There is one singular label there. And then we go to session 2. Labels, and then there's 2. I have a wild idea. What if we go multiplayer manager, synchronizer, add property to sync, and we do the labels. Maybe? No. Well, wait. Back to the remote. Labels. It's still not adding the other one, though. Let me go to session 1. And we have the labels here. Huh. I said I would think about the karaoke if we got the labels. That's not a lie. Add label. Show the errors in session 2. On spawn received, condition parent has node name is true, returning invalid data. I don't know what that means. Maybe it's this. Seems like you're duplicating nodes, maybe? I think that's what's happening, but it's only doing it for the client and not the host. And then when I don't put the true in the add child, then the host doesn't show up for the client. No, this true is needed for the spawner to work. That's what I thought. True. But for some reason, it won't. Can you show me where you emit the signal? Right there. All the spots. Oh, where we emit it. So we're emitting it here. When we press host game, we're emitting it here. When we register the peer, registering the peer happens. Where does this happen again? On player connected. So when the player connects, which is the multiplayer signal, then we register the peer. Oh, there you go. You have it too many times? There is a third time? Wait, what do I have too many times? I'm lost. Remove it from register peer. The player connected? But now the data will break. Oops. Won't it? Yeah. Now the data breaks. Yeah, we don't want to do that. Turn off Covino PC. We can't remove it here. I don't think we can remove it from the host. We do remove it from connection OK. Maybe that's where. Try it from a connection OK. Host. Oh. There it is. There it is. Whew. In a situation where it is not the gameplay that needs to be synchronized with each other, like lobby, send an RPC to the client from the client to the host, I'm ready, and the host sends the RPC to all other clients, set this player to ready. It's the same broadcasting message, but you don't need to worry about clients being on the same scene. You can handle it outside the scenes, even in a singleton. Oh. Yeah, we do need to do that ready thing, though. We will need that. All right, now that it connects, let's get the disconnect going. Get the disconnect going. Works now, that's good? Yeah, indeed. There we go. It already disconnects, beautiful. Okay, so now we need to do the name update. So we need to get the label and update the name of the label. So in the character lobby, name input, and then if it's server, we change the player name to the new text. And we can also change the multiplayer manager dot multiplayer labels 1 and then dot text equals new text. Let me do the same thing again, only for the non-peer or the non-host. And then here we just do the multiplayer peer get unique ID. Like that. Save it. And hope it works. So it was 3 times instead of 2, but I still feel like this isn't done fully correctly. You think? We'll take a look back through it once we get the base stuff going. Then we'll optimize it. Oh, shoot. What is this? Out of bounds index on the label. On dictionary int label. Oh, because I need to do oh, how do I do this again? We're going into a dictionary. We go into the dictionary with the ID, and then we want to do the thing again. Hope do or do not work. There is no hope. Check the evaluator. Doesn't seem to have this PID. No, it's not getting the label. That's what I think the actual problem is. Is it dot value dot text? We want to access a label that we don't remember its name, or we don't know what its name is. There we go. There we go. That's how you do it. Let's try it over here. Nope. Because I didn't change it here. No, I did. Oh, wait, no, it did work. Oh, shoot. Okay, never mind. The dot value did not work. This did. Delete that, save that. Let me pull that error back. Host. Join. All right, out of bounds index on base dictionary int label. Because the label, it's not affecting the host label. We need to update the host label here. This is updating the local. We need the host. Update host label dictionary. There we go. We got ads coming up though. We're gonna chuck on the words. Chuck on the words. And then when we come back, we will set it to the host label. So it needs to change the host label stuff instead. Change the host label stuff instead. That's what we need. Whew. All right. We're making progress. We're getting there. I also need more water. Desperately. Desperately. Mouth is super dry. Super dry. All right. I'll be right back real quick. Bloop. All right, I have returned. Autopilot off. Boom, boom, boom. Webcam on. Hey, Georgester. How are you doing today? Whew. Let's turn these words off. Boom. Oh, question, answer. How easy is it to export a game for mobile? No. It depends. It depends on what platform you're going for. So if you're going for Apple, that's a whole, you need to have iOS, you need to have a Mac. You need Xcode, and you need to convert your exported project. So you need to convert it to an Xcode thing and go from there. You have a Mac? No, I don't. I don't have that money. Kidding me? No. No. Okay. Maybe pretty straightforward then. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. All you're doing is you're exporting it, and then you have to do all the certificate signing and whatnot. But yeah, as long as you have a Mac and a developer account, you should be pretty good. Who doesn't have Mac money? Exactly, gamer. Exactly. We looked at it. We looked at getting like a refurbished M2 or something, whatever it is. And that was still well past our budget. Well past it. Could not justify that. Mac Mini is very well priced PC. That's what we were looking at, generic. That's not well priced. Not for my budget. No. You could probably get some more money with a karaoke stream, fundraising karaoke stream. Steve, I don't know about that one. I don't know about that one. No, because I don't really need one right now. I don't need a Mac. Just saying. Yeah. I'm gonna pay him to stop singing. That's not a bad idea. That's not bad. Update host label dictionary. But I also have a mute button. Rap stream? We already had one, Nick. We had one. We had a rap battle against Jackie. And absolutely decimated her round 1. And then proceeded to lose the remaining 2 rounds. Started strong. Finished horribly. But I've been practicing. I've been working on it. Getting there, studying my rap. When I'm in the shower, I start spitting bars, freestyling. Just depending on what I'm doing. Let's see. Bar spitting stream when? Not for a bit. Not gonna say it's not gonna happen, but not for a bit. I recently took a poll and found out 100% of the people in the tent were angry when it collapsed. I was gonna say, wait a sec, Mike, you spelled poll wrong, and then, man, I can win. I mean, I'm not gonna say no to a can't win. No, Steve, I'm not saying no. I just gotta get some more practice in. I gotta get some more freestyling practice in. That's what I gotta do. I'm not saying no, is what my parents would say instead of no. Well, no. All right, then I'll tell you this, Steve. Yes, but not yet. Not yet. All right, we got to update the host label dictionary. To do that, we can just pop into the multiplayer manager. And we just need to do a little function. We don't need this. I don't think this is being used anywhere. Yeah, it's not. Okay. Update multiplayer label. And we can just do labels PID equals label. Yesn't. Is this going to update it? Wait, are we updating the labels? Is that what I said we need to do? Shoot. Where did I just remove that from? Add player label. I assume I have to do it here? No, right here. So send data to server. And then multiplayer manager dot send label to server is what we're going to call it. Send label to server. So send label to server. And then today I'm wearing pink to raise awareness for people like me who forget to separate their red laundry from their whites. Ooh. You know, I've never, knock on wood, I've never had that happen to me where I've put like red and white together and it didn't bleed through. I think that's old. Like an old thing that happens. I haven't heard of it happening in recent machines and stuff. Or recent clothes. I think it's because they use different dyes, maybe. But we can't send a label. Huh. Depends on the dye, the age of the clothes and other things. Still happens with no new clothes. Oh, interesting. So I think we need to make a new label because you can't send a label. So instead we need to do var new label equals ready label dot instantiate and then new label dot text equals as a string PID. Actually, I don't even have to do that. Then equals new label. I guess. And then we just pop that out. Export var ready label packed scene. I don't feel good about doing this, but I'm just curious to see if it works. Ready label, save that. And then let's call this instead to update label dictionary. Actually, update multiplayer labels. And actually, we could take in, instead of taking in a label, we take in a new text as a string. And then we say new label dot text equals new text. Like that. And then we'll shove a wrapper on it. Func send label to server with the new text as a string. And then we can just say update multiplayer labels dot PC ID 1, and then we want the ID being multiplayer peer get unique, and then new text. Whew, depends. Lots of new clothes haven't had the extra dye washed out. Oh. So I guess, like, I mean, if you don't wash your new clothes once properly, then yeah, I could see that. Send label to server, new text, string. Let me do the RPC ID, and that should work. And now we can just say update multiplayer labels wrapper function. And let me just say multiplayer or send label to server. Send label to server. And we need to put in the new text. Let's try that. Multiplayer host. Host connected. Other player connected. The host button didn't. Oh, don't do this to me, game. Okay. Okay, whatever. Test. Nope. Instantiate on a null value. Because I didn't set the label. Ready label. It's literally right there. What? Ready label. Ready label. Is it because I'm trying to send an RPC? Or I'm trying to do a... That doesn't make sense. I gotta read the error. Gotta read the error. Host. Connect. Why did it pick the same color? Man. Okay. Alright. What is this? Null. New label is null. And then it broke. How is new label null? Var new label equals ready label, which is already a thing, dot instantiate. Ready label dot instantiate. I think it's because I can't send the RPC, or it's because it's trying to RPC a label. Oh, man. And if I don't instantiate it, then I can't change the text. Right? Why are you doing update labels? Because I'm trying to update the labels? Yeah. Isn't the synchronizer supposed to? Yeah, it is. It is. But but it's not. And it's not because I need to update the labels for the host. I think. Wait. Where was that even being called? Oh, the brain. Host knows when to update labels. Yeah, another 4.5 hours left of the stream. Nah, Cam, I don't. Multiplayer labels. Where the heck did I just add? What? Oh. So what's happening is I send the data to the server, right? Yeah, dude, slacking. I am big time. I'm dying right now. Host 1, connect. And now if we look in the remote into our multiplayer manager, at our labels. Oh, we have them on the host. We have them on the host. So why are we resending them if we already have them? Do we have them on the other one? No. Okay, so we just need, never mind. We just need to figure out how to access our label from the client, the client's label. How does the client access its own label to change the text? Hey, Bumblebite. Multiplayer is going. It's rough, but it's going. How do we access this with the pure ID? You would think so, but the problem is that multiplayer labels is not updating. Oh my god, it is. Hang on. Multiplayer manager dot multiplayer labels, and then multiplayer peer dot get unique ID, and then equals dot text equals new text. And now we have it. I know, right? He said he's gonna do a 6-hour stream. Doesn't lack of commitment. It can be tough sometimes. Is it ready labels you're working on? No, it's not the ready labels. Well, it's the sort of. It's kind of the ready labels. They are the, I should call it like the lobby labels. These guys that just appeared. So what we're trying to do is the host can change the name. And then here, it breaks. Why did that not add a label? Pure ID. Oh, because I didn't add a label to it. So when we make a label in the lobby, why is this not making a label? Multiplayer labels is empty on the client. Right. I'm trying to figure out why is it empty on the client. It's probably because we're calling it on player connected. So I want to share the dictionary from the host, but I can't because the dictionary has a label on it, which is an object. You can't RPC objects. Let me change this goal to make it more ideal. Boom. Can you synchronize the dictionary? I am. I already am. Right here. But that's not working either. All the time or just on spawn? Always. And on spawn. You update player data already? What? We're not concerned about player data right now. Just with the labels. Just with the labels. Labels are based on player data? No, they are not. They're a separate dictionary altogether. See, no label there. Update player data, no. Update multiplayer labels. This is this thing that we didn't need. Let's just delete all this crap. And then I feel like typing in all caps. Why is that? The text in the labels should be based on player data. The text in the labels should be based on player data. Yeah, we could do that. So we'd have to just say but that's the thing. We can't even get them to update yet. Because they get added in. But the client doesn't have... I guess unless we did a... If we did a an RPC, update them when you update player data. That could work. That could work. When we update player data, put a space here. Update player data here. Player data updated. So we could say, well, that's emitted with a PID, a path, and a value. And where do we connect this though? Find that. Multiplayer manager connect on player node updated. On player node updated. Hook it up in the lobby as well. Then we can do multiplayer manager dot player data updated connect, and then it wouldn't be add player label. We'd have to do another function to edit player label. Func edit player label. Taking in a PID or update player label. Yeah, same thing. Update player label, PID. Temptic, hello and welcome. Long time no see. And Otter wants to party game 2. Let's go, Temptic. Indeed. We are currently struggling. I got you. I'll do your spin. Howdy, Temptic. We are currently struggling with multiplayer here. Struggling. There we go. Struggling with multiplayer. Dying right now. Whew. An otter is a cool idea for one of the characters. Indeed. I haven't seen Temptic in what feels like forever. And so I wanted to see if Temptic wanted to be in the game, but I haven't seen Temptic around, so I haven't been able to say anything. It would fit perfectly. Whew. But yes, multiplayer game. For those who don't know me, hello. My name's Covino. Building a game studio called Freedom Forge Studios. And we are currently working on our second ever game, which is a multiplayer game, Mario Party-like game. Whew. I'm just dying right now. Multiplayer is rough. It's rough. What were you working on, Temptic? What were you doing? Streaming more caused me not be able to catch streams. Streaming more. That's good. That's good. We like it. Whew. But yes, what were you working on? What were you doing? Boom. Boom, boom, boom. But yeah, we're trying to figure out how to update our player labels currently. Player labels for our lobby. So we're making a template because we have to make 15 mini games, and each mini game has to be a game on its own. And so to do that, having a base UI with multiplayer functionality and everything, character customization, and then we can just slap the mini game inside. Nice and easy. Working my map generator for my game using OpenStreetMaps Overpass API. Ooh, got most of the mapping from API response to the map object. Hey, let's go. Let's go. That's awesome. That's awesome. If y'all are interested, check out Temptic for some high quality programming here. High quality OpenStreetMaps Overpass. Fancy. Fancy. All right, so update player label, PID int. And then I already forgot what the other things we need. An update path and update value that we're not going to use. Update path and update value. We might use the value. Woo! North Pole got me to play a block shop level, redeem and stream. And I struggled a bit, but solved 2 levels together. Hey, there you go. That's awesome. Boom. Bang. Whoa. Man, oh man. I haven't been able to play block shop that much. I played a little bit. I got my first efficiency badge. That's about it. I think I'm on like World 2, World 1, 2, something like that. Wherever the first efficiency badge is. I'm so far behind. Oh. Streaming, working, and a few times quite sick. Ooh, that's not good. Update player label, PID, int, update path, update value. And then hourly raid. Indeed, Tricky. Indeed. Let's see. Update player label. Otter wants to party game 2 raid. Indeed. I'm hoping it's gonna be I think it's gonna be a fun game. I think so. I had a epiphany the other day about what is fun and how is fun and all that. I appreciate the personalized raid message. Whoo-wee. Whoo-wee. Block shop is effing difficult. I don't know. So far, I've kind of plowed through the first like couple of levels. But then again, it's the first level, so I don't know yet. But I've been kicking butt on it every now and then. I don't know. Whew, we got level 6. Nice. Nice. And also level 9 out of 6. Nice. No hints allowed though. No hints allowed. No. I know certain people. I'm not gonna call out who, but I know certain people that I have on Steam. I've seen them using hints because they got the hint achievement. And that's the one achievement I refuse to get. No. No hints. Whew. Alright. I definitely used a hint to get the achievement. Oh, just to get the achievement. Gotcha. That makes more sense. What the heck am I doing for the update? Player label. I'm changing the text. Here's a hint. Achievement snitch. Here's a hint achievement snitch. Oh. Listen, I'm saying it for everyone's benefit. So if you don't have the hint achievement yet, you can choose to dodge it and you can flex on more people. Be like, yeah, I don't even have the hint achievement. So the hint achievement though, that is evil. I like it. I like that it's in there. I really do. Big flex, get the last achievement. Then the hint one. Ooh, that's good. That's good. So then when people look at it, they'll be like, oh, you got the hint achievement, cheater. And then they look at the timing of when you got it. Whew. That's good. I like that. Update player label, PID int, update path, update value. And we're not using those. And so what we need the label to do is we need it to, nobody's going to look at the timing. You never know. You never know. Because usually it shows the most recent ones you got, right? Doesn't it show like 3? I'm not going to open Steam because I don't want to expose who I'm calling out for using hints, but does it show timing? Kind of. So it'll be like achievement 1 will be the most recent. Or sorry, the most recent would be this one. And then the oldest one will be here. So it kind of does. Or it's the opposite way around. It's one of the two. But it does show the timing. Update player label. Every friend of mine has the hint achievement. Ooh. No. I refuse. Update. How am I doing this? Reminds me of I did this by mistake on Lollipop Chainsaw. I've never heard of Lollipop Chainsaw. I don't know how I feel about that. I also refuse. Good. My friend had it. Lollipop Chainsaw. It's a pretty hard game. Which one? Lollipop Chainsaw or Block Shop? Update. I bet there's also like an achievement to use a hint at a stupidly easy level. That would be good. Oh, Block Shop, yeah. But it was aiming a camera at the female protagonist's butt. Oh, that's a good achievement. That is a good one. Oh my lord. I did this by mistake. That's so good. I spent hours on. You spent hours on Block Shop? Oh, I haven't been able to. So I'll be going over every level using all hints after I complete the game. I wonder if there's an achievement to use every single hint in every level. I wonder. Oh, there is? You already know there is? Went to bed, come back, and just go, oh my god, this one's so easy. What was I doing? Sounds about right. Yep, you can check it. Oh, you can... I haven't even looked at them. At all. Brainoid. The Brainoid flirt emote. Ooh.
Hello, Brainoid. Welcome in. How are you doing today?
Achievements that telling you are gold. Yes, for sure. I attend to 100% block shop though. I eventually want to welcome in. I was here for hours. That's true. I've been watching. I've been looking at the lurkers. But I was saying welcome in since the stream crashed. Since the power just totally randomly went out and wasn't accidentally yanked at all. Yep. Update player label. That's what we need to do. We need to update it by saying for label in multiplayer. Wait, what did I call the labels? Shoot. Wait a second. This is in the lobby. Shoot. Oh, because it's going to be on connected. That's right. I even carefully left you on 1% volume to hear you from far away. Oh, I'm honored. Thank you, Brainoid. GTA had a specific activity for the Gentleman's Club, so Steam says, friend is currently in the club. That's funny. That's funny. Man, oh man. GTA. I think I have GTA 5 and I just haven't played it. Because one of my friends had me get it some years back. And then I went on and it was like... we went on like a multiplayer server and there were a bunch of hackers and just immediately was like, no. I'd be like, what are you playing, bud? Ooh, I just called him out on it too. You need to put it on 3%. Oh, really? I didn't know that. Also heading out to bed now. Have a good time zone. Fun with the game until we meet again. Till we meet again, Temptic. Have a great night. Appreciate the raid. Have a good one. For label, we don't want this. We want our labels. Can't I do that? Like this. But then the labels aren't updated. That's what was the issue. The stream itself is on 100%. External tool on mute. Ah, smart. I'm gonna head out as well. Bye-bye, everyone. Every one of ya lovely peeps. Good night, North Pole. Appreciate you being here. Have a great one. Let's see. For label multiplayer manager. Slapwell. Slapwell. I don't want to know what you two are doing. Gross. Gross. Go to bed. For label in multiplayer labels. This ain't right. My brain is just not working. It's not working. How do we do this? Let's break it down. So we want pass, save, and then what's going on? We add the label. Oh yes, player data updated. So in our player data updates, we want to update the label with that stuff. And it gives us a PID. So yeah. And so we can just say multiplayer manager dot multiplayer labels, taking in the PID, and then we say dot text equals multiplayer manager. Oops. Multiplayer manager dot player data PID, and then dot player name, and then update player label. Update player label. I don't know if that's gonna work. Don't know if that's gonna work on the lobby. On the lobby. lobby. Okay. Oh, it works. Okay. Okay, it works. It works. It works. It works. It works. It works. Let's. Ooh, I didn't mean to do that. Lobby, and we want to say this. Let's better label player name. And then plus space is connected. Save. Whew. And then we need to do the same thing for the host. Go to the lobby here. Multiplayer labels 1 text equals new text plus is connected. Save. Play. Boom. Boom. Bang. Multiplayer. Host. 1. Connect. Body. Body. The host is connected. The client is connected. Holy moly. Holy moly. We got it. We got it, folks. Check that out. Pretty cool. Pretty great, right? Pretty awesome. Holy. So now we have an updating thingy. Updating thingy here. Okay. Good job. Something like that. Something like that. Okay. Alrighty, folks. We are calling it here today. We accomplished what we needed to. We did it. My brain is so fried right now. So fried. I can't even speak. I can't even speak. How much is left in the template? All that's left is we need to fix these buttons here and then connect it into the base scenario. So like send the data to the empty characters and fill them. And then the template is done. So 2 objectives. We are going to finish it tomorrow. 2 more days? No. 1 day. We've been knocking out 2 things a day. 2 things a day. And so all we got to do, that's it. That's all we got to do. That's all we got to do. Just 2 things. And then this template is done and we can get to the actual fun stuff. Tomorrow's probably going to be a longer stream. We're going to be trying out Oik's new game that's coming out on Friday, but we have early access to it to test it out. So we'll be trying it out, seeing how it is and all that. But it will probably be a longer stream tomorrow. And yeah, that's it. I will catch you all tomorrow. For those who don't know, we stream every single day. Every single day. Be sure to spam the emotes. And we're going to head over to Hypnotic. Doing some great Godot stuff. Have a great one. Catch you all tomorrow. Boop. All right, YouTube. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. I'm dying. I need to pop open this stream here. Boom, boom. Boom.